Hey guys, Mushmo VR here, and today you're gonna see my live reaction with the new fishing update today. I have not checked it out at all, so let's just get right to the video. Alright, so I think fishing map is over here. Nah. No, there's like water here. It looks so much like a dock here. Guys, what is this thing? Is that a boat? No, we need to go check. Oh my god. Look at this! 152 Pokemon. So I'm gonna buy this rod. And I'm gonna buy this one. Okay guys, so I got my rod. So I think all we do is like whoa! So I think all you do is just like throw it out and I don't know, go just wait. I wait. Oh, I got something, guys. I got some. All that work just for this thing? What is this thing? Wait, do I have my bucket? Oh my gosh. I think I can just put this in here. Oh, then it shows your fish right there. Okay, wait, so cast out. I think all you do is just like eat it. Let's try another cast. You guys ready? Oh, I might have to get up here. Come on. I want something good, guys. Oh, come on. Oh! It's a niblet. Can we like sell fish or something for buckwins? That's what I wonder. On the boat. Oh no. Oh, we got some. Why another one of these things? I got a pink dauber. These are all the fish I have right now. Pink dauber. All you have to do is like just... Did I really just... I think all we do is... Okay, we cast that one out far. Okay. Something good. A niblet. Okay, so that's how you basically fish. Yeah. Can you like buy bait or something? That's my question. I like fish. Not any. Oh, I think 8 cloaks or something. Oh no. But whoa, Nathan, is this Nathan's fish? Oh wait, you can't get stuff for buckwins, I think. Okay. Wonder if I caught anything in my trap. There's traps? What's this do? Collect non-legendary fish and let fish bucket. Okay, what's this? Oh, so you can buy stuff. I'm gonna buy this jelly bait. I have enough. Did I put this on my rod? Yeah, okay. Here we go. What's a lucky spot? Oh, there's a crab in there. I thought that was an actual gnome. So you can buy bait? Yeah. I think I'm gonna come over here and fish. Oh wait, can you fish in the water? I think you might be able to. Yes. I'm gonna go. right there. This looks like a lucky spot under the docks. Here we go. Oh. Another one? I don't want these. I want something good. I want something good. I might as well put my bucket right here. These are all my fish so far. It's pretty bad fishies though. Ow, I just hit my wall. I have hit a wall. So, I think the best way to go with this is just keep buying these jelly baits. Let's put this on the rod. Yeah, do this. Where's my bucket? Oh, it's over there. I'm gonna put my bucket right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Something good, something good. Come on. Come on, come here, come here. Yo! What's this thing? Thick jaw perch. Whoa. This thing looks insane. It looks like what's his name? Super I don't know what his name is. Super America, yeah. I think that's his name. Yeah. I wonder if I just cast a normal one out. Let's send this chair. Here we go. Something good, something good, something good. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. All that work just for a tiny little dauber? I'll keep it, I guess. But this is my favorite. Go. Say go. Under the docks looks nice. Try to like catch a crab or something. Yes, right under there. I think we just have to wait. Are these for like placing something? I like place my rod here or something. Oh, I got something, I got something, I got something. Please. Something good, something good, something good, something. Oh! Another one! What are these rarities? I got 2 of these so far. Let's go. Oh, guys, that's a little highlight. That's a little highlight of the new fishing update. Yeah, it's insane. Trash Games, you really did a good job on this update. Yeah. But Nathan, I don't really like the shoe update. Nah, I don't really like the shoe update. Honestly, why would a Yeep need a shoe though? I'm just saying. I'm just saying, why would a Yeep need a shoe when we have our hands? Well, I mean, I can kind of see his point though, but there was another video with Marshmallow VR. I don't know why I did this every video, but bye.